Plane, Daddy? That's not Philippine Airlines. Hello. That's Wamos Air.
Yeah, why? Philippine Airlines.
Ay, yung mga karga niya, Philippine Airlines. Na ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
That's weird.
That's very weird. Pero sa ticket namin, Wamos Air.
Yeah.
May Wamos Air kami. Sabi ko, ano ba ito? Yung tinatawag. Okay, ito na guys. This is Wamos Air. And then, magamit natin sa ibaba. Oo. Yeah, even in the things, not many people. Not fully loaded.
And mobile telephones without restrictions. Thank you very much and welcome aboard.
So the tray is...
They fold it.
Or direction it's going like that. Oh, like that, Daddy. Oh, like this. Make it closer. Oh, like that. Ayan guys. Nagpa-practice tayo. Practicing. Dahil. Ayan sa labas na. Outside the airport. So ito guys, ang sa labas ng airline. Ito yung mga crew na naghahanda ng mga ilalagay nila sa plane. So ito na plane is Wamos Air. Para siyang charter plane ng Spanish. So the stewardess here are Spanish, but may isa siyang Filipino, isang Filipina na stewardess. So ano na kami, we're just about to take off. Ito yung sa loob ng plane. Tapos yan, malapit na mag-take off ang plane. So maghintay lang muna tayo a little bit. Hindi na, alis na yan siya. Take off na ba kami? It's moving already. Ayan. So sa loob, anong mga tao? Yan, we're moving. Ano na yan guys? Take off na siya guys. Medyo may ingay yung aeroplano. Pero okay naman, nakarating kami ng safe. Mabait naman yung mga crew nila. So ayan, basta mag-take off na yan tayo. Ano yung lahat na tao ano lang nahilig lang nanonood ng movie, may nakikinig sa music, may natutulog para hindi siguro nila ma-feeling palapit ng aeroplano. So ayan, ano na kami ni Daddy, relax, ayan, nag-move yung plane kasi kumikilos siya, nag-take off, pero pag nasa taas na siya guys, okay na, hindi na siya na nagkaunting ano kami dito, turbulence, pero hindi naman isa, hindi naman masyadong malakas. So ayan, that is taking off, so hindi lang natin
like to welcome you. Our Christian attitude, we will offer you a dinner service which we hope you will enjoy. 2 hours before our arrival in Manila, we will offer you a snack service. If you wish to rest, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible when during the entire flight to prevent the crew from waking during this turbulence. Please don't hesitate to ask us if you need any help. We are here to make your flight safer and more pleasant. Thank you very much. Have a very nice flight.
So yun na guys. Hindi
Ladies and gentlemen, as final preparation for landing, please check that your seatbelts are correctly fastened. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manila, where the local time is 5:32 p.m. and the outside temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. For safety reasons, remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the illuminated seatbelt signs have been turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as some objects may have moved around during landing. When disembarking, please remember to take all your personal...
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.